Hardline.
Planes go up, drugs come down.
Whose operation is this?
Some shipbird named Remy Neltz.
Neltz! Put the gun down!
I took the deal. You, Stoddard, take it all.
He was surrendering!
Leave it alone, partner.
Before evidence arrives. But that's not... Yes, Your Honor.
Well, I disagree with your basic assessment of the facts. No, I understand. Thank you for your time. That was the Honorable Naomi Kushner. And what do we think about Judge Kushner around these parts?
Left-wing hack.
Yes, the good judge won't give me a no-knock warrant for known associates of Neltz. And that's just fine.
War games, war rules.
Captain Dawes,
Mendoza, the three of us are a tribal council. And I'm very aware that we're having problems with one of the members of our tribe.
He didn't take the money.
You were testing me.
Well, we had to know if we could trust you. You know, from the very beginning, your partner assured me that we could. Now, you said that Neltz was talking about a deal with Stoddard.
Yeah, he sure did.
Well, I need you to go back to Neltz's office and get me something I can take to Internal Affairs. I realize that a hurricane's incoming, detectives. But this can't wait.
Yes, sir. Jesus!
CSI's already been through here. What's the point?
Well, they weren't looking for evidence against Stoddard.
Look, we find anything, we go directly to Dawes. This goes to Internal Affairs. Dawes can't control what happens.
You do trust Dawes, right?
Stoddard going down doesn't look good. For anyone.
That Stoddard's dirty. You know it, I know it.
I'll keep watch out here. You go inside, find the evidence we need to take him down.
Gladly.
Hey, I'm gonna look around the building, maybe poke through the trash.
Good idea. Just stay in touch. You think Stoddard has friends inside the department?
Probably. Dirty cops look out for each other.
Let's hope they didn't pull any evidence.
Wouldn't surprise me. If Stoddard was stupid, he'd be in jail.
Somebody moved this recently. Okay, bet I can figure out this code. Bingo.
Remy Nelson's insurance policy, take one. Friday night, August 14th, I'm going to meet with Stock. Sounds like the next step is coming up with partnership terms that work for both of us. I think if you...
Stoddard. Got you. Kai, I found something. I'm headed downstairs.
Good. I'm down here now in the shipping container. What'd you find?
Nelson Stoddard, on tape. Now when we go to IA, it's not our word against his. Remy was storing his cash somewhere. I bet Stoddard's looking for it too.
Look in there.
What the hell is this?
Some bullshit I don't pretend to understand. But I looked online, and the only place that sells that crap is a store called Domo Roboto in the Palm Court Mall.
He wouldn't be storing his cash there.
Nope. That's why I got the warehouse's address.
It's worth a drive-by.
My advice? Don't go in through the front door.
If Stoddard comes out without me, assume the worst.
I always do! Nick, I just got word from CP about a suspicious van. I'm gonna follow it, okay?
Yeah, all right. Just stay in contact.
Lousy time for a hurricane, huh?
Hey, you trust the Stoddard guy? Do I trust the cop? I took our money in exchange.
I got 2 buildings. Lots of guards.
Remember what Dawes said, Mendoza. Don't worry about reading these guys' their rights.
This place looks locked up.
Try the roof.
Good idea. I'm inside a tortilla factory. Looks on the level.
Okay, check the other building.
You're under arrest.
You got it. You got it.
Saw some movement over there.
What is it?
Something was moving over here.
Looked like a guy went by over here.
Don't get caught. We don't know how many there are in there.
I can get in through there.
When you find Stoddard, just let him talk. Hopefully he'll say something incriminating.
Guys, I don't care about your weed, right? In 2 years, it's gonna be legal anyway. What I want to know is, which one of you moved Neltz's cash?
He promised us that money, asshole.
Yeah, okay. As of yesterday, I'm your new boss. Do you understand what that means?
What would you say if you were working a case and some asshole shows up and tries to take the credit?
I would say, let's talk about it. Huh? So, let's go do that. Shall we?
He just took a few guys downstairs.
Okay, follow him.
That doesn't even sound like Neltz. He spent weeks getting that voice right.
For like 3 days. James Mason sound. Like James Mason. That's what about I kind of like him. Oh, I see. You prefer strawberries in your waffles. Well, there is no accounting for taste, I suppose. Anyway, get back to work.
Hold it! Don't you move!
You need to follow Stoddard downstairs.
Hold it! Don't you move!
You got it. You got it.
What was that?
What's up?
Hey, Francis. It's Kevin. Kevin Austin.
There's a guy.
Got it!
Go!
Want to see what's
Let's
up?
go!
A grow house. Oh boy. And there's Stoddard.
Plants. Only thing I like doing with plants is smoking them, eating them.
What is...
Lisa, you've got some sweet buds growing there. And look at you.